Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope you are all well. Today's video is about a penny stock, but before I serve you up a slice of this treat, make sure to like, subscribe, growing the channel, doing well. Over 360 odd subscribers now, pushing for the 400. I'm excited about it. Please check out the recent Reuters article that I was featured in, talking about memes and all that jazz. It's a good read, guys, I promise you. Without further ado, let's get into it. Today's penny stock is about Vision Lithium. I do urge caution, not a financial advisor. You must do your own due diligence, of course. Everything I'm telling you is just educational purposes, and I am lightly touching on topics that I have in detailed reviewed, okay? So you're not seeing the full review here. This is sort of an 8-minute video, a summary if you want to call it that, but I urge you to do your own checking, of course. But this is a lithium play. Now, you probably know the way the future is looking. It's looking like clean energy, how new ways of being able to store energy, generate energy, making energy mobile, and I'm talking about EV plays, cars, trucks, all that jazz, okay? So that's the future, clear as day. Lithium plays a massive part in that, to be able to create the best batteries, and these guys, in a very, very competitive market in mining sector, these guys offer a wee bit of an edge, and I'm going to explain that now. Okay, so Vision Lithium's website, guys, we bounce on, you can see some of their pictures here of the mining and different areas like that. They're focused on battery mineral exploration. The company is led by skilled and qualified mineral exploration and business professionals with a deep understanding of the lithium battery materials market, which is driven by lithium-ion batteries. Okay, so at high level, batteries, lithium, those two things, if you're in the stock market at all and you're in the right sectors, you will know what I'm getting to here. This is all to do with EV plays. This is all to do with batteries. This is all to do with renewable energy. This is all to do with the future. This is all to do with the sectors, i.e. like Tesla, your Neo, all need batteries, okay? So it's a very, very competitive market. I believe Vision Lithium has done a wee bit something special that could get good rises out of it, okay? And what it is, if you go down to the latest news, Vision Lithium makes 99.99% pure lithium carbonate from Cermak lithium property. So if you bounce on the Google, you can go down here and you'll see, you know, different companies reporting the news, talking about batteries in general. You know, you can see about Biden's name, you can see the Prime Minister Boris Johnson talking about batteries. So look, this is the future, that is for sure. It's about picking the right companies that can thrive in this market. Now, I believe that the majority of probably companies, if they're financially in a decent spot, they should all do well. But I believe Vision Lithium have a wee extra edge that have just come out, and we'll explore this now, the reason why I think they separate from the rest. So if we bounce on to mining.com, which is obviously good for this sector, and it would be one that I recommend people using if they're thinking about looking at for competitors. And it's important to do that. Do your own due diligence, have a look at other companies, but this is one that I think that, as I said, Vision Lithium produces 99.9% pure lithium carbon from Cermak, okay, and the stock explodes. The CEO from Vision Lithium said, "This is a significant step in providing a battery-grade lithium carbonate can be made from lithium ore taken from the Cermak project. It is an important technical milestone for any lithium company to show the full value chain is technically achievable." It goes into talking about here how the samples and the different stages, you know, where they got to 88.3 and so on and so forth. 2020 they were able to make 91.9, so they've developed this, guys. This is continuously improving to the point where they're now getting 99.99. Talks about the share price. The shares of Vision Lithium soared all-time high of 95 cents. So if we jump on the Yahoo Finance, now it had a bit of a bad day on Friday. Unfortunately I bought on Thursday, so that was a nice start to my journey with Vision Lithium. But look, it happens. Market cap reasonable enough for a company of this size. So if we jump onto the financial section of it there, look, it's going to be grim reading. The company's not making profit. Again, like all my other penny stock videos, you don't want to get bogged down too much on previous historic data because it doesn't really say the true picture. You need to understand that the company is not making profit. It's reinvesting money to grow the company, and they've continually grew the percentage rate right up to 99.9 from 90 even in 2000. So that takes money, that takes research, that takes expertise, it takes people's wages. So that's where the money's going, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's not great reading, guys. You know, they've lost money, but You can see, and this is what you want to see with penny stocks, you want to see the deficit get better. 2017, 2018, 500,000, okay, so it's going in the right direction. Key thing to see in a penny stock. Back onto their website, guys, battery grade lithium, okay, so go through and read all this. I'm not going to read all this out to you because I mean the video will be too long, but I've had a good read through it, and just from like other companies, I understand the process here, and this is something that you want to have on your portfolio, guys. You just want to have at least a play in this here. Yes, these penny stocks are high risk, there's no doubt about it, but you might as well have a play. So much of the demand for lithium compounds in batteries is driven by the adoption of electric vehicles and other energy source storage applications. Lithium is very lightweight and an excellent conductor for electricity, making it very attractive for mobile energy storage applications. Lithium never exists on its own in nature. It's primarily derived from two main sources, hard rock and brines. About 50% of the world's lithium compound production comes from hard rock sources, with the balance coming in from brine sources, those being primarily located in South America. Both sources can produce battery-grade lithium compounds, but the extraction and purification process is very different. Okay? Fission Lithium will be using known methods of lithium exploration and extraction to make lithium compounds for the battery market. Okay, so that's the key, guys. They can do 99.9% now, guys. Battery grade lithium commands a premium. So 2018, bear in mind 2018, we were nowhere near the demand. There's shortage, they're saying now, of this stuff. So 2018, that wouldn't have been the case. But anyway, let's have a look at it. 2018 battery grade lithium carbonate sells for between $12,000 to $14,000 a ton. Lithium hydroxide between $16,000 to $18,000 a ton. Okay, so let's have a look at the site. 24 mining claims, total area 1,100 acres, and then you can go in and have a look at the other locations that they have as well. There's actually, I count 7 based on their latest financial statement. You can see 7 locations, so you know it's a big enough operation, guys. You know that this isn't just a small operation dealing with one sector. They do deal with a lot of different elements of mining. If you just type in lithium demand into Google, have a read through, guys. I'll not go through them all, obviously, but if you even just look at a high level, guys, it's all about recent articles talking about how it's clean energy, how the demand's going, how more companies are getting involved. Lithium prices set to rise in strong EV sales. Rising prices could be the new norm from the lithium industry. You know, if you even click into this here, you can start looking at some of the stuff. China battery metals outlook for 2021. Do you expect battery grade lithium prices in 21 to increase or decrease? They're saying increase. And you can just have a look at this here, a nice little sort of diagram. Okay, guys, so that's the video. Hope you have found it informative. Like I said, this is a penny stock. It's going to be high risk, guys. I'm thinking no more than maybe 10% of my portfolio. So what we have is the £1,000 investing sort of beginner portfolio that I've recently started. I've put 10% directly towards that, and on my own personal, I'm going to do the exact same. So a few hundred quid's going to go into that on my own personal one as well, and we'll see what kind of throw up we can get out of it. What I will say is, although things are looking good and it's all the right sector and the demand's there, what I will say, just to play devil's advocate, because I am a quantity surveyor, as you should know, every day I'm dealing with the market prices, I'm dealing with commodities, prices of materials. You know, I'm checking this out every day, and this is one that I'm kind of aware of as well. So you have to think about the demand and need. Yes, it's there. Yes, they're going to grow, but at the end of the day, the whole world is chasing the same dream of having global clean energy. Okay, so with that means that there's experts looking into different ways of procuring it, ways of generating it, ways of manufacturing it, and that could change at any time. A new breakthrough could come through, and that could be the difference from the types of this product maybe not being obsolete. I'm not saying that's the case. I'm just saying with this sector, it's so new. It's so, like, I mean, it's yes, it's been around for well over 10, 20 years, this whole way of being able to make clean energy. Of course it has, but the revamp and how much it's ramped up recently, there's breakthroughs coming through all the time. So you have to be careful, watch this space. It is a penny stock, high risk, can't stress that enough. Don't intend to have this play for too long. It's probably going to be more of like a swing trade, but you never know. The fundamentals change and they keep showing that they're getting closer to profit, or even better yet, making profit. That could change, but my intentions is a swing trade, guys. I would like to know what your thoughts are. What's your intentions with this? Is it something that you'll even be interested in? Just go ahead, leave me some comments. I'll be interested to know. And if you haven't already, please like, please subscribe, try to go to the channel. And until next time, guys, stay safe. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.